Live. Miss everybody who got live, someone got live too. And this is then go viral. Let me tell you something. This way, you know Magic son. Magic, my last boy, yes. Me have him in company radio with me. Boy ain't got on yet. Me have a boy got on car. Boy can't turn a country at the life. Boy you, when me get town, boy see something like ambulance, I come wah. But me think ambulance. Boy see ice cream truck. It's a then also I can sell ice cream in an ambulance. Wah. So eventually tap him. Wife whole body no. So me walk up to him ice cream truck there. I say, for ice cream. Hey man tell me say, no, let me tell you. Me tell you why so me no cup. Cause normally pass on the we go for gym, we go buy ice cream in a cup. So me say no cup no way. So you can't get no ice cream, cause no cup, we no cup. Boy say, no. He man we give him a sitting name. We sitting name again. Corn. Anyway, me say, since you have your sitting, you are sitting on your corn. I must say, him. So, since you are sitting on your corn, so me say, give me. Cause you have not enough money, so if you can get corn, you get corn and take it. Boy, take a corn. Boy, nyami ice cream. To fit me and lick all into doing them. All into nearly lick. So you don't know what happened. After we look, me no see neither ice cream na corn. You know what damn boy do? Hey boy, nyami ice cream and nyami corn too. To royal jazz. So me have to go pay for ice cream and me go pay for corn too. Before boy give back him money corn, make him nyami ice, make him give somebody else. Can't sell somebody else. So someone have no cup. Boy, nyami ice cream and nyami corn too. Damn gluttonous. Me tell you boy, me I came back go no way again, cause boy too gluttonous. Gluttonous. Boy, nyami him and ice cream and nyami man corn too. So me have to pay for people thinking when should I can cup. Yes. So a grandpa talk around, so that's it. That's nothing. Imagine why now I come back on no time with me.
This is a fucking traffic production.